Almost 2 years ago, I decided to make a drastic move across the world from my home country, Botswana, which is located in the southern part of Africa, to the Asian continent, China to be specific, and in the mother city of China, Shanghai. Crazy, right? As a foreigner living in China over the past couple of months, one of the most striking articulacy about China is their distinctive culture. And my admiration comes from the way in which they carry so much passion towards who they are and where they come from. Most importantly, and quite a marvel to observe, is how they do it as a team. Join me as I unearth and learn one of the secrets towards China's success that is today. The secret lies within the waters. It's in the image of a dragon. It's in the beating of the drum. It's the Dragon Boat team, made up of amateurs, but by the skills they demonstrate today, these are no amateurs.
我们是2018年成立的，今年是第4年，整个一支龙舟队的人数在60人左右，很多各种不同行业，包括像自由创业人，包括高层，企业的高层，包括我们有那个极地中心的科考员，还有雪龙上的船员。
A team of mothers, fathers, husbands, sons and daughters who have come together to demonstrate their passion in celebrating their culture. Today, I joined the team to experience a heartwarming part of China's history and culture as the team demonstrates their level of discipline and fitness.
我们先介绍一下，来自南非波茨瓦纳的 Candy， 大家欢迎一下啊！ 1, 2, 1, 2, right. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Teamwork is a definite as the team rows in unison. A sense of balance as the helmsman navigates the boat through the currents of the waters. Respect to culture and command is a pure bliss.
因为龙舟呢，它是一个非常需要所有的人都劲往一处使，它不能说哎你划你的节奏，我划我的节奏。那我们在这个过程当中，大家一定要整齐划一，以鼓手的鼓点作为我们的这个标志，或者是作为我们的这个节奏。
As the team rows to the beat and sound of the drum without missing the uniform of rowing, a marvel as the boat tickles the waters underneath.
作为鼓手呢，他算是一个核心的。鼓手要控制整个我们队伍，包括划手，包括舵手的一个节奏感。每一种比赛方式都会有一个不同的一个战术战略来进行划。但是呢，这个战术战略如何执行呢？就是作为鼓手要控制的事情。
Hard work, dedication is the order of the day. In my language, we have a saying, "Moroto wa esi hao eli," which simply translates to, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. The most heartwarming moment about this experience is the history that surrounds the Dragon Boat Festival. Not just a sport, but a celebration. As the Dragon Boat Race originally is the Chinese people's disease prevention festival. on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month in the form of the dragon boat race. It's held a tribal totem worship customs after the poet Chu Yuan, who died on this day, as many people went into the waters with boats rowing in the waters trying to look for his body. And today it has become part of the Chinese culture, and the Chinese Han people commemorate the traditional festival customs of Chu Yuan, as is the hard work the team demonstrates today. They stand hand in hand, shed, will and wool.
我们所有的训练都是为了今天啊！指向南极，加油！加油！加油！我们欢迎孔大爷回归。好了，准备好了吗？许愿！好，今天不要了，王冠带好。许愿我们龙舟队好好训练，取得好成绩。好，来，谢谢。孔大爷这个带过这么夸。生日快乐！
像我们中国的传统文化当中，龙舟队其实就像一个团队，就是一个家。你进入到我这个家了，我作为这个一家之长，我是发起人，我必须要对他们每一个人都要负责任。所以说，我们每一个队员的生日，他们每一个工作，他们每一个休假日，我都要了解得很清楚。队员们都是笑称我为张妈妈，所有的一切大小事情，我必须都要去帮他们安排好。他们去参加比赛的时候，即使我是很辛苦，确实是很辛苦，但是在我看到他们每一次比赛回来，我在码头迎接他们的时候，那个时候就是好像再多的苦，包括就是队员们的苦，那个时候好像觉得就是一切都是一切苦都是值了，哪怕自己再咬碎了再多的牙齿，就是也觉得很值。因为我看到他们回来以后，他们就是我心目当中的英雄，不管他们的成绩怎样，好也好，不好也好，我觉得一切的付出，因为他们训练的时候真的是付出很多，他们的汗水，他们自己的业余的时间，都付出了很多很多。
A true sense of family and belonging is experienced as the team not only rows together, but they also eat, celebrate, and laugh together.
1、2。